Hey Taylor, this is Dustin. I made a video, well, I'm making it right now, to maybe cheer you up. It's gonna hurt like shit though. Okay, well, this is on, and it's like hot as shit. And I'm gonna touch it, just because I'm bored. Now I'll lick it with my fucking tongue. Shit. Ah. Shit. Oh. Oh, the fuck. The damn it. Fuck. Dead. I have my tongue dead. Holy fuck. Damn it. Maybe that's really well.